What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can import products from any website to your Shopify store. Now, as you can see, guys, I just imported this product from a random website that is not known, and I'm going to show you how you can do just that. Now, you can easily import products, for example, from Amazon, from your own website. If you have a website, you can import products easily from your website to your Shopify store. This is very quick and easy, and the app that we are going to use is free, but it only has free plan. Okay, it's not free forever. You can only test it, see if it works, and then after 7 days you can then start paying very small fee. Okay, very small. It's not going to hurt you or anything. Okay, so as you can see here, guys, I am on the Amazon website. You can easily import products, for example, from Amazon, from anywhere you want. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can do that right now. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to go to your own Shopify store. Okay, and you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Okay, now, after, guys, you click on settings, you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now, after, guys, you click on Shopify App Store, you want to search for this app. It's called Robo. Okay, the app that will help us import products from anywhere. Okay, any website you can find online, you can import products to your own Shopify store. Now, this is the app. Okay, it's called Robo Product Importer. Click on it, and as you can see, guys, like I said, free plan or free trial available. Now you want to click on install. Okay, I'm going to explain to you how you can use the app, okay, step by step. Now, after you click, guys, on install, you want to again click on install. All right, now after, guys, you do that, what you need to do, guys, is just need to download the extension. Okay, it's very quick and easy. Just click on get extension here, as you can see here. Okay, now after that, you want to click on add to Chrome, and then click on add extension, and in the top, just make sure you pin the extension in the top. Click on this extensions button or icon, click on it, and then you want to pin it. Okay, click on this pin button, and that's it. Okay, that's it. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to go to any website. Okay, it just open the product, on your website. And what you guys need to do next, for example, you can also import products from Shopify store to another Shopify store. Now, after you are on the products page, you just need to click on the extension in the top right. Okay, you just need to click on that. Now I'm going to open a random product on Amazon because I don't really have a website. Okay, you can also import products from AliExpress, Walmart, the Home Depot, any website, like I said, online, you can find online. Now, after you are on the product page after you are on the product page, you just need to click on the extension in the top right, and then click on add to Shopify. That's it. It's easy. Okay, now after you click on add to Shopify, as you can see, guys, the description and images, as you can see, basic info, you can make some changes if you want, but make sure you check this if it's correct. As you can see, even the Robo itself says with consistently changing e-commerce sites, the product data imported may not be accurate. Verify data before importing. So just verify everything is correct. For example, here, if it has a lot of images, make sure you click on select all images, and here click on import, click on add product to Shopify. As you can see, product title or product price is missing. Click on basic, and you want to enter here the price of the product. Okay, that's it. Now, this doesn't happen always, okay, by the way. And then click on add to Shopify. Okay, as you can see, the product has been imported to my Shopify store. I'm going to show it to you right now. Now, this is the product, okay, and I'm going to show it to you inside my Shopify store right now. Now I'm going to open my Shopify. I'm going to click on products, as you can see here, and this is the product. The pictures are imported. Every single thing is imported to our Shopify store. Now, if this video helped you guys, please drop a like. If it doesn't, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next one. Like I said, just let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone.